Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a real hidden gem with you. Before we dive in, if you want to check out the hotel right now, scan this QR code right here. Okay, ready? Let's go. I recently discovered this amazing place called Badagathan Namhangpuncheon. Now, the name alone, which roughly translates to like the sea, Namhan River scenery, already tells you this is going to be special, right? And trust me, it totally lives up to the hype. This hotel is located right on the banks of the Namhan River, and honestly, the views are just incredible. Imagine waking up to this beautiful, wide river stretching out before you, just like a calm sea. It's so peaceful and relaxing. You can feel your stress just melt away. But here's the best part. The hotel has this super cool camping-inspired interior. It's cozy and comfortable, but still totally stylish. Think rustic vibes with all the modern amenities you could possibly need. And wait until evening. As the sun sets, you get this amazing cityscape view. It's like a night sea of lights twinkling in the distance. Seriously, it's magical. One thing to note is that they have one really well-appointed room designed to make your experience as comfortable and immersive in the scenery as possible. You can check in from 3 p.m., so you've got plenty of time to settle in and just chill out. And you can sleep in a little, too, because checkout is at 11 a.m. They do have free parking, which is a huge bonus, and of course, they offer Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and a kitchen so you can be as comfortable as possible. This place is made for a getaway. It's perfect for a romantic escape, a solo adventure, or just a quiet break from the everyday hustle. So, guys, what do you think? Doesn't this sound like the perfect getaway? Seriously, I'm already dreaming of going back. If you're looking for a relaxing, scenic escape with a unique vibe, then you absolutely have to check out Badagathan Namhangpuncheon. Remember to book in advance because this place is popular for a reason. I've put a link in the description below so you can check availability and plan your trip. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching and happy travels!